Hello, in this video I'm going to explain you how to send certificates to your students through in Kajabi based on some automation. Okay, so for this you have to go to products, okay, log into your Kajabi admin panel and go to products and then go to a particular course. Okay, like say for example I want to give a certificate for my DNA Gold. I have arranged my levels for the student from like there are three levels: silver level, gold level and platinum level. Okay, so in my gold level membership, once I open the course like this, now click on certificates. Okay, and from here Kajabi gives us all these options. Okay, like say for example, like here first we have to enable it, provide certificate for this course. Now this is the logo of your company. Okay, so you can put the logo or you can remove the logo as well from the certificate. Okay, now certificate title, you can change it to recipient, subtitle, student name. Okay, yes, show the student name, and all these subtitles you can change. Okay, and also include course titles name, so accordingly you can change the name of the title, course title here also. Include completion date, okay, yes or no, and include unique certificate serial number, yes or no. So it is going to give a unique, it is going to generate a unique certificate serial number as well. Expiry date, custom field, you can add a new custom field if you want to add in the if you want to show on the certificate background, you can upload a photo. Okay, by default the certificate background is white, but if you want to change this background of the certificate, you can change it. Okay, you can upload a photo from here. Okay, then here when to send the certificate, okay, on 100% course completion, or you can add an automation. Okay, like send as an automation when. So Kajabi gives us all these options to us. Okay, maybe you can have assessment is complete, lesson is completed, or maybe quiz is complete, quiz is failed, or quiz is passed. Okay, so these are some conditions, and also you can add more conditions like when this happens then do this. Okay, then something. Okay, so you can use these kind of automation sequences, okay, from here. Okay, now also we can add an automation like automation to send certificate. Okay, it is the same thing as we have set here, and also automation after certificate it is sent. So once certificate is sent, then what to do? Then grant access to some offer or the course, and or maybe subscribe to an email sequence. Okay, so remove a tag, add a tag. Okay, maybe you can add a tag like once the certificate is sent, you can add a tag certified. Okay, so this way you can categorize students later on. So or maybe you can give a send a single use coupon. Maybe like once they have completed gold membership, I want to gamify this. Like if you have completed this and you got the certificate, then in the next email you are going to receive a single use coupon to upgrade to platinum. So this way automation can be enabled, okay, in real life, right? So this is the option from where you can actually enable the certificates. If I click on preview, so I can see how it looks. Okay, so according to, like I told you, the background is white. You can change the background also by uploading a photo from here. Okay, all right, so this is how you can certify your students in Kajabi, which is amazing automation, right? Okay, so just try this out, and if you have any question related to Kajabi tool, put in the comment box below. Also, if you are thinking about using Kajabi, then I suggest you to go ahead and use my affiliate link. Go to dnaclub.in/Kajabi. I'm putting this clickable link in the video description as well. Using this link, you will get 30 days free trial, and if you directly go to Kajabi website, you get 14 days trial. But using my link, you are going to get 30 days trial, and once you take 30 days trial, immediately you will receive an email from my side where I am going to send you a link through which you can book a free consultation call with me, where I can help you to set up Kajabi tool for your business. Okay, so this is an extra bonus I am giving you for using my affiliate link. Okay, thank you for watching this entire video. Subscribe the channel and put your question in the comment box below. Thank you.